Hello everyone, welcome to an iPhone app development tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a switch that will trigger the visibility of a text view. Start off by creating a new project. Click View-based application and name a project switch. Save it. And in here, expand the classes folder and click switch view controller.h. Now, since we're creating the switch and the viewer, we need two outlets for it. So go ahead and declare the outlets IB outlet UI switch D switch. We will name it D switch. IB outlet UI text view D viewer. Alright. Now we need to set the property for these things. So go ahead and set this line of code. Maybe alright. Add property non-atomic retain IB outlet UI switch D switch. We just set the getSetter and getter methods for this. Now since we're gonna trigger an action, we need a line of code for the action. Go ahead and type in this line of code. IB action switch on ID sender. Now the name of the action is switch on. Alright, since we're done with the header file, go to the implementation file and synthesize the viewer and synthesize the switch. And we'll synthesize this so that we can access it in the implementation file. And since we synthesized it, we need to release it. Go to the deallocate and then the switch release and the viewer release. Alright. Now in the header file, just copy this action and in the implementation file, paste it and enter braces. Now our code will be in this line, which will do all the magic. Go ahead and open the interface builder, the switch view controller.xib file, and in there, this is our main view. Go ahead from the library, drag a switch and a text view. Resize the text view so that it fits perfectly and looks nice. And in your attributes inspector, go ahead and in here cancel the uncheck the opaque and click the white background, which pops up this thing, and make the opacity 0. This gives us a nice background of what's under it. See? Alright, now since we have this, we need a label for it. The label will be just to show what the switch is for. Go ahead from the library, drag a label, double click it and type in show story colon, and we're done. Align everything so that it looks nice. Okay, now we're done. But not yet, we need to set the outlet and the action. So go ahead from this window, hold Control and drag the file's owner to the text view and set the outlet the viewer. Do the same for this switch, and for this one the switch. Okay, since we're done with the outlet, go ahead and click the switch, and in the attributes inspector, I mean this window, go ahead to the connections inspector, and in the value changed action, drag it to the file's owner and click switch on. So now you see here, for the value changed, we set it file's owner switch on. That's the action that will be triggered once the value of the switch is changed. Alright, now quit from the interface builder, and in your code just type in if the switch dot is on. I'll explain everything once I've written the code. Yes, the viewer dot hidden equals to no, else if the switch that is on equals to no, the viewer dot hidden equals to yes. Alright, we're done. Now launch it, build and run it, and here's your iPhone. Now this is in the, oopsie, I'm sorry for that, just go ahead and again build and run. And now you can see that the switch is on and the text view is visible. Go ahead and just press in the switch and you can see it makes it invisible. Then again switch it on and it will be visible. Whoa, we just created an app. Awesome. And what we did here is we set an if statement. It will check if the switch, remember we set the outlet for the switch, if the switch dot is on, if it's on equals to true, if it's on is true, then the viewer will be hidden equals to no. That means that if the switch is on, then the viewer is hidden. No way. Then in the next line it says that if Xcode finds this method equals to no, if this finds it no, then it's going to trigger the else if the switch is on equals to no, then if the switch is not on, then the viewer will be hidden yes. Alright, now this may be a little bit confusing, so go ahead and just stir at the code for a bit and then you'll get it yourself. Open the interface builder in here and then everything will be clear. It's on, we'll check this. Is on equals to yes. It's on now. The viewer hidden? No. It's not on, it's on equals to no. If it's not on, if it's like this, then the viewer is hidden? Yes. But it's not gonna trigger it in here because it's just the interface builder. Alright everyone, so thanks for watching and please subscribe and rate and stay tuned for more iPhone development tutorials and more iPhone reviews, and see you later.